Do you want to delete a picture from Instagram? You can delete photo from Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a picture from Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Scroll through your posts and tap on the picture you want to delete. The selected picture will open in full view. Now, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Delete. Another confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this post. Tap Delete again to confirm your action. Now, the selected picture will be permanently deleted from your Instagram profile and will no longer be visible to others.